This question is, if A is equal to ABC, then the number of binary operations on A is. To solve this question, first you should know the definition of binary operation. What is binary operation? A binary operation star on a set A is a function star from A cross A to A. The definition of binary operation says it is a function from the set A cross A to A. Now, to find the number of binary operations on A, we have to find the total number of functions from A cross A to A. Suppose A is having n elements, then number of elements in A cross A is n square. And we will use this to find the number of functions from A cross A to A. To find the number of functions from set A to B, we have to use this concept. Let set A have A elements and set B have B elements. Each element in A has B choices to be mapped to, and each such choice gives you a unique function. Since each element has B choices, total number of functions from A to B is B to the power A. And I will explain with the example. See here, there are 3 elements in the first set and 3 elements in the second set. Now, and suppose 2 element mapped to these 2 elements A and B, that is 5 and 8 mapped to A and B respectively. Now we have 1 element left with. Then how many ways we can map this one to elements of the second set? You can map 1 to A, or you can map 1 to B, or you can map 1 to C. That means there are 3 chances of mapping this element to the elements of the second set. Like this, the element 5 is also having 3 chances of mapping to the elements of the second set, and 8 is also having 3 chances of mapping the elements of the second set. Therefore, total number of functions is 3 into 3 into 3. Suppose the second set is having n elements, then every element have n chance of mapping. Total number of functions that can be defined from the first set to the second set is n to the power 3. If the first set is having elements, then total number of function is n to the power m. Now, in this problem, we have to find the number of binary operation. A cross A is having n square element and A is having n elements. Therefore, total number of functions that can be defined from A cross A to A is n to the power n square. In this problem, A is having 3 elements, that is n of A is equal to 3. Therefore, total number of binary operation or number of functions that can be defined from A to A is 3 to the power 3 square, that is 3 to the power 9. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is option A, that is 3 to the power 9.